Hello, my name is Joshua Plick. I am a Ruby software developer, and I'm here to tell you that your first programming language that you choose to learn does not matter. I'm sure you've heard by now that programming salaries are skyrocketing. There's massive demand and not enough supply. There's demand for programmers, new programmers, junior developers across all programming languages. I'm sure you're probably reading Reddit, Googling which programming language I should learn. Maybe that landed you here. You're probably trying to choose between Java, JavaScript, C Sharp, Ruby, or Python. What's interesting is that all programming languages generally are founded on the same principles. You're going to learn about looping through code. You're going to have variables in almost all programming languages. You're going to learn about control flow, like if statements, the OR operator, the AND operator. Once you have all those things under your belt, it'll take you about a year to get pretty good at your first programming language. After that, and here's why it doesn't matter. All programming languages that you learn after that first programming language will take you probably weeks to learn. I have complete confidence as somebody who's very competent at the Ruby programming language that if I had to learn a new programming language, it would take me about 2 to 3 weeks to achieve a work level of competency in it. And I'm sure any developer who's professional would tell you the same thing. But ultimately, you have to make a choice. Though the language that you choose doesn't matter, because once you learn your first language, everything else is going to be, every programming language after that will become much easier to learn. Ultimately, you have to make a choice. And so my suggestion to you would be to find the local programming community near you. I would go to meetup.com. I would find the programming language among Java, C Sharp, Ruby, Python in your area where there's the most attendance to their meetups. Because ultimately that first year is going to be very tough for you learning programming. And you're going to want to find a robust community where you can find mentors and other people to work with, because that's essentially where you're going to find your first job.